I was sent this 2-pack adjustable undersink organizer with the slide-out drawers. If anyone knows me knows that I love organization. That's my biggest thing. I love to have everything clean and organized. So whether you're storing cleaning products, kitchen tools, or bathroom essentials, the Fabutar Undersink Organizer is a practical and stylish solution that brings everything neat and accessible. Let's go ahead and put this together real quick. I'm going to show you it's real simple and basic. It doesn't take much, no tools required, except for the little Allen wrench and the little tiny handheld wrench that it comes with. What I liked about this is that, one, it was easy to put together. Two, it has the 2 tiers and they're adjustable, so it can fit under most sinks. So if right here, if you want it really tall, or if you need it smaller because the bottom of the sink, if it won't fit underneath in your sink cabinet, you can adjust it in the height. So that's perfect. Now this is durable and rust resistant. It's got the tool-free assembly. It's ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and pantries. This is a smart, sturdy, and space-saving. It's a must-have for an organized home. This little drawer is going to slide in right here. The installation is quick and tool-free, so just snap the shelves and rods into place. The open design and removable baskets make cleaning effortless. So after organizing my cleaning supplies and toiletries, the difference was night and day. Everything looked tidy, easy to reach, and clutter-free. I'm going to show you this here. This is under my husband's side of the cabinet, and watch, look at that. How organized and how much nicer does this look, you guys? So simple and easy. I can organize and separate all of his toiletries. This slides out easy. Highly recommend.